Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're taking a closer look at a drop-top masterpiece at the all-new 2024 Maserati GranCabrio. This convertible is the open-air sibling of the stunning Granturismo coupe, and it promises an exhilarating driving experience matched with undeniable Italian flair. Strap yourselves in, gearheads. The GranCabrio boasts a heart-pounding 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged Nettuno V6 engine, churning out a staggering 542 horsepower and 497 pounds-feet of torque. That translates to neck-snapping acceleration and a thrilling ride, all delivered through a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission and a sophisticated all-wheel drive system. But the magic of the GranCabrio truly unfolds when you retract the sleek fabric top. It folds away in just 14 seconds, even at speeds up to 31 miles per hour. Allowing you to bask in the sunshine and embrace the open road in style. The sculpted bodywork looks even more captivating without a roof. And with 5 available colors for the top, you can personalize your GranCabrio to match your taste. Maserati hasn't compromised on luxury inside the GranCabrio. The cabin is a symphony of leather, premium materials, and exquisite craftsmanship. 4 comfortable seats ensure a luxurious ride for you and your passengers, while the driver-focused cockpit puts all the essential controls at your fingertips. Technology seamlessly integrates with the opulent interior. A state-of-the-art infotainment system keeps you connected and entertained, while a premium sound system delivers immersive audio. The 2024 Maserati GranCabrio is more than just a car, it's a statement. It's for those who crave open-air exhilaration, discerning taste, and the unmistakable allure of Italian engineering. Whether you're cruising down the coast with the wind in your hair or turning heads on city streets, the GranCabrio is guaranteed to provide an unforgettable experience. So, if you're looking for the pinnacle of drop-top performance and luxury, the 2024 Maserati GranCabrio deserves a spot on your dream car list. This virtual tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car content. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.